Hi friends, today we are going to take a look at expand and trade subtraction. So let's start off with 71 minus 46. I'm going to do this with place value blocks so you can really visualize what's going on here. So we've got 71, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. Okay, the first step of expand and trade subtraction is to expand your numbers. Okay, so I've got 71, which is the same thing as 70 plus 1 right here. And I'm going to be taking away 46, which is the same thing as 40 plus 6. I'm going to be taking those away. So as I start here with 7 tens and 1 1, I consider I have 1 minus 6, and I cannot do that, so I'm going to need to trade one of my 10s here for 10 ones. We have a little rhyme that helps us to remember that. We see more on top, no need to stop, more on the floor, go next door and trade for some more. So I'm going to go ahead and take these 110, changing the value of my 10s. Now I only have 60. Right? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And I'm going to trade that for these 10 ones right here. So I have 11 ones. And I think to myself, is this still the same value as my starting number? Is 60 plus 11 equal to 71? Yeah, it is, because 6 plus 10 is 7, and then 1 more. Okay? So I want to always keep that in mind. Now I can go ahead and take a look. We're on top. No need to stop. So 11 minus 6 is equal to 5. And 6 minus 4, or 60 minus 40, is 20. Right? Total of 25. So let's try this with a harder one. Let's consider the problem 358. Let's do 353 minus 168. So I need to get my place value blocks for this, just to visualize. I've got 100, 200, 300, plus 50. And there's my 3. So go ahead and expand this out. 300 plus 50 plus 3. We're going to be taking away 100 plus 60 plus 8. Alrighty. So this time I'm going to go ahead and start with my hundreds. I can go either way and I'll show that to you. But as I take a look, I see 300 minus 100. More on top, no need to stop. 50 minus 60. Oh, more on the floor. I do need to go next door and trade for some more. So I'm going to trade one of these hundreds out for 10 tens, because that's the same value. They are equal, right? So as I record that, now I have 200 and 10 tens and 5 tens, total of 15 tens, so the value of that is 150. And then I still have my 3. Now I've got more on top, no need to stop. Uh-oh, more on the floor, need to go next door and trade for some more. So I will take away one of my 10s here and trade it out for 10 ones because the value does not change. So now I've got 140 in my tens column and a total of 13 now with my ones. More on top, no need to stop. More on top, no need to stop. And I would be able to go ahead and subtract that out. Okay. I told you I could have gone either way, right? So let's show you what this looks like if I would have come from trading from my ones on over. So let's restart this with 300 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 50 plus 3. And this time, my 300 plus 50 plus 3, I was taking away 100 plus 60 plus 8. I'm going to start here with my ones. I see more on the floor. I need to go next door and trade for some more. So I will regroup right here and trade out one of these 10s for 10 ones. So now I only have 40 in my 10s column, and again I've got 13 in my ones. More on top, no need to stop. Up. There we go again. More on the floor, I need to go next door and trade for some more. Okay, so I'll take this 100 away and trade it for these 10 ones. So now I only have 200 in my hundreds column, and I have added that 100 or 10 tens into my tens for 140. And then I go ahead and I subtract again, and I have 200 plus 140 plus 13 is another name for 353, right? So I can go ahead and subtract that out. And again, it is 185. Common mistake some kiddos make when they look here, they might say, 8 minus 3 is 5. But that didn't work, right? Because we had some borrowing and some trading to do. So make sure you consider what's on the top and what's on the floor, and don't be hesitant. Don't be encouraged to subtract backwards. Common mistake there. All right, friends, thanks for watching. Go ahead and continue your practice on trade first, expand, and trade subtraction. Bye.